Hello everyone. My seminar topic is cloud computing. Overview of my presentation is what is cloud computing, history of cloud computing, service model, development models, architecture, security, cloud clients, issue research, why cloud computing is important. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is internet based computing in which large group of remote servers are networked so as to allow sharing of data processing tasks, centralized data storage, and online access to computer service or resources. In cloud computing, any computer related task that is done entirely on the internet. It also allows users to deal with the software without having hardware. Everything is done by remoted, nothing is saved locally. Cloud computing is an umbrella term used to refer to internet based development and service. A number of characteristics define cloud data. Application, service, and infrastructures of cloud computing remotely hosted, ubiquitous, commodified. In remotely hosted services or data are hosted or remote infrastructure. In ubiquitous services or data are available from anywhere. Commodified, the result is utility computing model similar to traditional utility like a gas and electricity. You pay for what you would want. Many companies are delivered services from the cloud. Some examples of including the following: Google, Microsoft, and Salesforce.com. Google has a private cloud that it uses for delivering Google Documents and maybe other services to the users, including email access, document application, text translations, maps, web analytics, and much more. In Microsoft has Microsoft Office 365 online services that allow for content and business intelligence tool to be moved into the cloud, and Microsoft currently make its Office application available in a cloud. Salesforce.com, it runs its applications set for its customer in a cloud, and its force.com and vmforce.com product provide developers with platform to build a customized cloud service. History of cloud computing. In 50s 60s, theories that the world would have cloud computing. In 90s, start of VPN and efficient infrastructure. In zeros, Amazon built efficient service AWS. Basic concepts of cloud computing. There are certain services and models working behind the scene, making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to the users. Following are the working models for the cloud computing: development models and service models. Service models are IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. In IaaS is a basic service user maintained software, and PaaS means platform as a service. In this, users are given software and hardware automatically. In software as a service, SaaS, all software and hardware is transparent. User only knows their own access point. Cloud clients are web browser, mobile apps, thin client, terminals, emulator. How they use these three service models? SaaS, CRM, emails, virtual desktops, communication, games. PaaS, execution, runtime, database, web servers, development tools. IaaS, virtual machines, servers, storage, load balance, network. Development models: public cloud, community cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and private cloud rentals. In Public cloud done by service provider. Community cloud organization from a specific community with common concern. Private cloud operated solely for a single organization. Hybrid cloud composition of two or more clouds, private, community, or public. Private cloud rentals options to consider when security is concerned. So architecture of cloud computing, the software system involved in the delivery communication over a loss coupling mechanisms. The intercloud is an interconnected global cloud of clouds and an extension of the internet. Cloud engineers, so, cloud engineers, the application of engineering disciplines to cloud computing, high level concern, commercialization, standardization, governance in conceiving, developing, operating, maintaining. Security and privacy in cloud computing. Cloud computing protect our data securely. Physical control is also available. Identity management, you require in cloud computing identity is required, particular identity. Physical and personal security issues are good. Availability, application security, and privacy. Legal issues, complaints, legal issues, business continuity and data recovery, logs and audit trails, unique complaints requirement, public records. Legal issue may also include records keeping requirement in the public sector. Research, cloud computing is a very vast topic, so its research never complete but continue to, so we can say that it is continue to grow, increase with the explosion of cloud computing. High speed performance is heavily researched. Cloud clients, Google Chromebook, web browser, company specific applications. So importance of cloud computing, we use cloud every day, used to save huge amount of data, make maintaining information easy, make security easy, maintainability and sustainability are better. So opportunities and challenges, the use of cloud computing provide a number of opportunities. It enables service to be used without any understanding or their infrastructure. Cloud computing work using economies of scale. It potentially lowers the outlay expense for startup companies as they would no longer need to buy their own software or servers. Cost would be by demand pricing. Vendors and service providers claim cost while establishing an ongoing revenue stream. Data and service are stored remotely but accessible from anywhere. So, future of cloud computing, many of the activities loosely grouped together under cloud computing have already been happening, and centralized computing activity is not a new phenomena. Grid computing was the last research led centralized approach. However, there are concerns that the mainstream adoption of cloud computing could cause many problems for users. Many new open source systems appear that you can install and run on your local cluster should be able to run a variety of applications in cluster form. Benefits of cloud computing, in cloud computing we can save cost, saving, scalability, flexibility, reliability, maintenance, and mobile accessible. Cost saving, companies can reduce their capital expenditures and use operational expenditures for increase their computing capabilities. This is a low barrier to entry and also require fewer in-house IT resources to provide system support. Scalability and flexibility, companies can start with a small development and grow to a large development fairly rapidly and then scale back if necessary. Reliability, service using multiple redundant sites can support business continuity and disaster recovery. Maintenance, cloud service provide do the system maintenance and access is through APIs that do not require application installations onto PCs, thus further reducing maintenance requirements. Mobile accessible. Mobile workers have increased productivity due to system accessible in an infrastructure available from anywhere. Thank you. This is from my side. Hope you will like it.